Welcome to Hard Hat Engineer. I am Varun Patel. In this video, you will learn about spiral wound gaskets. You will learn about what is spiral wound gasket is, and you will also learn about component of the spiral wound gasket, marking and color coding of spiral wound gasket. Knowing color coding is extremely important if you are working in the field, as a small mistake in selecting the wrong gasket can result in the loss of time and money, which no one likes. So please watch the video till the end. And please subscribe to my channel because it helps me to increase my reach on YouTube. And you will also get regular updates on new video by subscribing to my channel. So please subscribe. Okay, what is spiral wound gasket? Why did we call it spiral wound gasket or SWG? SWG is a short form of spiral wound gasket. Spiral wound gaskets are fabricated from thin metal strip sandwiched between layer of non-metallic filler. Spiral wound gasket has alternative spiral layers of thin metal sheet and filler material as shown in the image. Here in the cross section, the blue layer are of metal and the black layer are of filler material. As these layers are wounded in continuous spiral form, this type of gasket are known as spiral wound gasket. These gaskets are extremely popular due to the wide variety of available style and sizes. SWG can be fabricated of any metal which is available in thin strip and which can be welded. Therefore, they can be used against virtually any corrosive medium. They can be used over the complete temperature range from cryogenic to approximately 1093 degrees centigrade. This type of gasket can be used in all pressure from vacuum to standard 2500 pressure class flange ratings. Relatively low density spiral wound gasket are used in vacuum services, whereas extremely high density spiral wound gasket are used in high pressure services. The density of the gasket is nothing but number of layer of filler and metal strip in the given width of the gasket. Now let's see the component of the spiral wound gasket. There are three components: outer ring, winding material and inner ring. You can see in the image spiral wound gasket. As said, winding is alternative layer of filler material and winding metal strip. Winding can be of V type or W type. This V or W shape, under pressure it press against the flange face and compress the filling material to provide leak-proof joining. The filler material can be graphite, PTFE, ceramic or other material, depends on the service of the fluid. Spot welding normally secure the inner and outer end of the strip that wraps the filler material. The gasket is contained loosely in the outer backing ring. For applications involving rise face flanges, the spiral wound gasket is supplied with an outer ring made of carbon steel, stainless steel or other material such as monel or nickel. The outer ring provides the centering capability of the gasket as well as the blowout resistance of the winding and act as a compression stop. Many spiral wound gaskets for critical application include an inner guide ring also, which gives the gasket a greater resistance to thermal shock and in case of vacuum service prevent the filler material being sucked in. Inner ring should be used with spiral wound gasket on male and female flanges, such as those found in heat exchanger, shell, channel and cover flange joints. Spiral wound ring gasket are also used in tongue and groove flange. When used in this type of flanges, there will be no inner and outer ring as the gasket are fit inside the groove. Next topic is spiral wound gasket marking. Knowing a marking of spiral wound gasket is very important to select a proper gasket. Each gasket shall be marked with manufacturer logo, manufacturing standard, size and pressure class, type of filler material, type of winding material, inner and outer ring material. You can see the sample marking in the image. Last topic of this video is color coding of spiral wound gasket. For easy identification, spiral wound gasket are painted in accordance with ASME 16.20. The solid color on the edge of the outer ring indicates the metallic winding material. The strip color on the edge indicates the non-metallic filler used between the metal winding. Color on surface of the outer ring indicates the material of outer ring. In this image, you can see the sample marking of 6-inch 300 class spiral wound gasket, manufactured in accordance with ASME B16.20. Here, the outer ring is of SS304, the winding material is SS316L metal strip, and filler material is flexible graphite. Please note that ASME B16.5 does not recommend the use of 150 class rating spiral wound gasket on flange other than weld neck and lap joint type. This is all about spiral wound gasket. Visit my website hardhatengineer.com to know more about piping, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on new video, and also like and share my video with your friends. If you want to request a video, please write in the comment. See you soon. Goodbye. Take care.